Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this 3-in-1 AI box that you can connect onto your, car screen and have wireless CarPlay Android Auto. You can use a dual Bluetooth connection and it has a dual 5G Wi-Fi connection, which I think that it's really nice. Let's open it up. Okay, we have the main unit right here. As you can see, it's really slim. You can connect it to the screen with a HDMI port or a USB type A or C, depending on what you need, which I think is really nice. It comes really well protected and it has a nice size. We have all the cables that we need, a USB type A to type C or a USB C to C. We also get the user manual. I'm gonna give it a quick read. I think that it's nice because you can use it to see Netflix, YouTube onto the screen of your car with your AirDrop, which I think that it's nice. Okay, also with Android Auto, and I think that it's really nice. And you can use those applications, YouTube, Netflix, Disney, even Prime Video, while you are using CarPlay, which I think that it's an excellent option, making it really versatile and really helpful those long trips. We can change the LED colors of this circle, which I think that it's going to be really nice. So, well, let's go ahead and start testing it out onto our car. Okay, come on. Okay, so we're gonna plug it in. I have it right here. That USB cable into our device. Okay, as you can see, it turns on, and we're gonna connect it. As you can see, we have the menu like this, and I think that it's really nice. We can select different applications. We have the settings right here. We can change the language, and I'm gonna pair it with Bluetooth. Okay, as you can see, we have the option and the name right there. We have it like this, and we're pairing it up. So you can see, it tells us that it's activating CarPlay. And as you can see, now we have CarPlay, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and set a map route. As you can see, we have set up a direction, and we're gonna play some music. And overall, as you can see, it's really easy to use. It's almost just plug and play. I'm gonna disconnect the CarPlay for a second. And in the main menu, we can select different options, but something that I think that it's really nice is that in here in the display, we can select the LED color setting that we want. And as you can see it in our main device. We can change it. We can have a night mode to select it. As you can see, it dims up, or a automatic mode, depending on what time of day is it. It will be set up by itself. We can set it up for different modes. And overall, I think that it's really nice, and I will really recommend it.